previously on Ask. During the fight, Matt was infused with 3 doses of cat poison. In an effort to save himself, Matt took 1 of the 11 sips of the power drink. Was this a wise choice? Find out now on Ask. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where am I? And who are you? You serve an death cat? Then you are an enemy. Rump attack! She's defeated. Now for the death cat. Thought you could get rid of me, huh? Ha! Radiant wave attack! Oh, flying paw scratch attack. Get back here. Where did you go? Ha! Time to finish this fight. Ooh. Oh, green whiplash attack. You're through! What? You think that our efforts would be best put together? You will join me on my quest? I accept. Why should I trust you? Can't argue with that logic. Join me on my mission.